Good morning, Archeo Sarrabus friends. Today, we are going to refuting a theory, a structure that Marco had seen with the drone, maybe last year, and therefore today accompanied by Mr. Physio, who was born and raised here, so he knows like his pocket these lands. We are going to check if it is a Nuraghe, or perhaps a slightly more recent structure such as a sheepfold. We are almost there. Now the difficulty will be to get closer because it's very covered by vegetation. Let's see if we can get closer, but we saw it in the distance. So we slipped here into this smell axe to try to find a point of observation. Maybe from there, make this way here. Do you see the structure above this top? But how beautiful this cave, this Tafoni. Okay, now let's try to get in from there. Let's try to get in through that way, and try to pass under here to succeed. To reach it then, we go back. So guys, I won't describe you. You can see the drops of sweat. I don't describe the vicissitudes to get there, however, we did it. What is in front of you is much more than expectation. Here the structure on this side, this is the north side. It is preserved for, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rows even. 10 rows. What looks like a pile of stones from above. Actually, it hides much more. Now we will try to make the rounds here too. Try to circumnavigate it. And then, let's see a little bit of getting on top too. Here we are. We are above, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived to our destination. Nice, it's certainly a complex Nuraghe. There are elements that make us understand that in addition to the central tower, there were connected environments, so a beautiful structure, perhaps a courtyard also, opposite to the tower. Now, however, I'll show you it in more detail. And there it is on the south side. Southeast. This, curious, it looks like a flat band, which then passes under. And this could probably be a flat entrance corridor band. Behind, there is, what is the rest of the room? Of the Tolos, but one thing that intrigued me. I'll take you down here. There's another wall down there, like a wall of reinforcement, a bastion built, but we can't now, let's say, do a reading. Credible, because it is completely covered by dense vegetation among other things, with Suticioni and Smilax and this lentisk tree tangled. That Monte Orubio, the Nuraghe is Sato. And then, look at the visual here too. Many Nuraghe on view. There is Korita. Mamusa from here, we don't see it. This is Mamusa. That's all, Mamusa. The adventure today is almost over. We will come back to deepen a little, let's say, the discourse, the reading of the Nuraghe. In the meantime, from the Nuraghe, nameless, or Tziu Marcu, as we called him, because Marco was our partner at A, to indicate it to us with the found with the dronen. So what had put this point to be explored today? Thanks to Mr. Physio back here, whom I thank for having me accompanied today to discover this new site. We are in the municipality of Muravera, I had said it again, in the more or less Varaxi area. And then this, a particular place is called Mumusa, right? This area is Mumusa, so there is also another Nuraghe further down that bears the name of this area that we are going to see. So I thank you, and I say goodbye, and I refer you to the next one.